Hey guys, this is Deepak from 91mobiles.com and I am bringing you a sneak peek at Micromax's as yet unreleased Android Oreo Go powered smartphone. This is the Bharat Go from Micromax, not yet launched by Micromax in India. Now this was supposed to be launched back in January, but January's come and gone, and so far we haven't heard more about this phone. It hasn't gone official yet. So this is basically a budget smartphone, very basic specs. Comes with a 4.5-inch FWVGA screen, 1 GB of RAM, 8 gigs of storage. So pretty basic specs, 5 megapixel cameras, front and back. There's a front LED flash as well. I do not have a lot of details about other specs like battery capacity yet, but an interesting device. So this phone runs the light version of Android Oreo called Oreo Go. So completely stock interface and comes with some basic light versions of apps including the Go Assistant, Files Go, Google Go, and a few others. Seems snappy enough despite its budget specs. Plastic body, standard post placement, micro USB port on the bottom, a speaker, volume rocker and power key on the right. There's another key on the left which seems to be taking a screenshot. I'm sure it's configurable. And on top a 3.5mm headset socket. So a first look at the budget Micromax Bharat Go smartphone, which is powered by Android Oreo Go edition. Thanks for watching.